What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle Family, and Turn Motivation into Means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom end of the description, all my social media links will pop up. I got a lot of fake King Hustle pages out here. Got a lot of people making fake pages, scamming people, acting like me. So please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you get doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So today I'm going to drop y'all some quick gems. I'm going to show you how this quick business way where you can get you $10,000 with just your EIN number. Yes, just your EIN number. Now listen, like I tell you guys in every video, in the beginning of the video, please listen to the information that I give you in the beginning of the video because it's going to help you get approved for these loans and credit cards and lines of credit way easier. Vice versa, you not taking these steps and you get mad because you didn't get approved because you just jumped off the video and went to go apply and you had nothing going on. So please take in consideration of all the gems that I drop in the beginning of this video. So everybody want $10,000 car. Everybody want to use that EIN. It's a lot of people out here with their LLCs and EIN numbers that want to start building business credit. Now, what you need to do is, we're going to be talking about the Sam's Club MasterCard business credit card play. Now, it's a lot of people out there that it's a lot of people out there that want loans, credit cards, lines of credit, and they feel just because they have bad credit or there's bad credit loans or anything, they can just go apply and they supposed to get approved for these loans. There's nothing like that. You gotta have your paperwork in order. You gotta have your profile in order. Now, when it comes to the Sam's Club business credit card, we're gonna trick the system. We're gonna finesse the game. We're gonna make our personal credit leverage towards our business credit so we can have a better chance of getting this credit card. Now, this is a $10,000 credit card that you're trying to get for a business side, right? So we're gonna make our business credit look good enough, and when they check, they're going to see you got all this good trade lines and debt on your personal side, and we're going to leverage it towards our business side. And if they see you got more than $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 in credit card debt and you paying it off on time, good payment history, you're going to have a good chance of getting this credit card, right? So what you need to do is you need to go get you an Experian account. Once you get you an Experian account, you're going to be able to see all three of your FICOs, and it's $25 a month. Just have it connected to your bank account so you can pay it every month and don't have to worry about it. Once you get you an Experian account, you're going to see your collections, your inquiries, your debt, collections, all that, right? 3 FICO scores, all that, right? So you're going to know what's going on. So once you see that and you got all that debt, you're going to say, all right, let me clean it up. You're going to freeze all 3 of your FICOs. Once you freeze all 3 of your FICOs, you're going to go back to Experian, you're going to dispute all those accounts, and it's going to take up to 15 days to start seeing results. Collection accounts dropping off your credit report, because like I told you guys, any account that's classified as 7 years or older is classified as being expired. So once you start seeing them drop offs and you cleaned up your credit a little bit, you want to start adding trade lines. Everybody needs trade lines. It don't matter if you got your own trade lines or you're paying for trade lines. Trade lines is what helps you build credit and payment history, which will generate you a better credit score. So you're going to go to creditstrong.com, and they got up to $42,500 in trade lines that you can add to your credit report. That's awesome. Then Trade Line Supply literally has credit card accounts from banks that you can add to your credit card, to your credit report, to start leveraging the credit. So you get you 2 credit cards from Trade Line Supply at $5,000, both of them $5,000, you got $10,000 reported on your credit card. You get you one for $15,000 and $20,000, you got you $35,000 worth of credit card limit on your credit report being reported. So the more you pay, the higher limit you'll have. And a lot of people don't take those notes, and these notes that I just gave you in consideration, y'all just run and jump. And these notes will help you get approved. So without further ado, let's check out the Sam's Club MasterCard credit card up to $10,000. All you need is your EIN number, and you'll be okay. All right, so without further ado, let's check it out. So today we're gonna be talking about Sam's Club MasterCard credit card, $10,000, just EIN number only. All right, so they got the Sam's Club member club plus members can earn up to 5% back. All right, so the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure you got your LLC and you got your EIN number. Once you got all that, you're gonna say, okay, cool. Make sure you had it for at least a month, not even a month, for at least 6 months. So long as you had your EIN and your business, your LLC for at least 6 months, you're gonna say, cool, boom, you're gonna walk into Sam's Club. You're gonna apply for a business membership. For a business membership, basically, boom. Once you apply for that business membership, you're gonna wait 32 days. Once you wait those 32 days, then you're gonna go right back in there and you're gonna apply for the membership credit card. And this is the membership credit card right here. So Plus members can earn up to 5% cash back at Sam's Club. Here's how it works. 2% of Plus members in Sam's Club cash are eligible in club purchases. In Sam's Cash on Sam's Club purchases, Plus members 1% cash back in Sam's Club members. Shop more, earn more. Sam's Cash with the Sam's Club MasterCard. See if you qualify for Sam's Club credit card. Get a decision in seconds with no impact to your credit. 5% back on gas if the first $6,000 per year, then 1% after. 3% back on dining, 1% back on purchases. Sorry, many credit card benefits. So many credit card benefits. So, Sam's Club credit card, Sam's Club MasterCard. So with the MasterCard, you get earned 5% back in Sam's Cash on gas anywhere MasterCard is accepted on the first $6,000 per year. Earn 3% back in Sam's Cash on Sam's Club purchases for Plus members clubs. Members earn 1% cash back. Earn 3% back in Sam's Cash on dining and takeout. Earn 1% back in Sam's Cash on other purchases accepted at Sam's Club and Walmart nationwide. No annual fee. Doubles as your membership card. All right, so those are a lot of good benefits for the Sam's Club membership MasterCard. All right, so it's a lot of different ways. You just go in here, you register, you get it together, and you should be good. All right, so make sure y'all checking out Sam's Club membership MasterCard. Make sure y'all follow them steps. Make sure you got a business and an LLC and an EIN number for at least 6 months. Once you got that for 6 months, you're going to walk in the Sam's Club. You're going to apply for a membership. Once you apply for that membership, wait 32 days. Once you wait 32 days, then you're going to walk back in there. Then you're going to apply for the membership credit card, MasterCard. As long as you took some steps for your personal credit, you should get approved for at least $10,000. All right. So without further ado, let's talk about the Sam's Club MasterCard membership card. $10,000. EIN only. All right, there you guys have it. Sam's Club membership MasterCard up to $10,000 EIN number only. You just got to make sure it looks good. So what you need to do is make sure you follow those steps in the beginning of my video when I tell you to make sure you go clean your credit, get Experian account so you can see everything that's going on. Clean your credit, freeze it, dispute it, clean it, add the trade lines, let it age for a second, get your EIN, your LLC, get it structured a little bit, walk into Sam's Club, go sign up for the membership, the business membership club. Once you wait 32 days, then you're going to go back in there, apply for the membership credit card, MasterCard. By leveraging your personal credit, you should get approved for a high limit credit card. So make sure you guys take this information and you run with it, because I guarantee if you do it the right way, you'll get approved. It's a lot of people that watch a lot of videos and see somebody talking about something, and they just jump and go try to buy it or try to do it, and they don't be successful because they have no knowledge about it. Y'all gotta stop doing that. You guys have to start doing y'all research and learning more about something that you want to get, because no one is responsible for you jumping and doing anything and it affecting you in any type of way. Just because you see 100 people jumping in the deep end, diving down to the bottom, getting $10,000 and coming back up, doesn't mean you can do the exact same thing. They have training. So don't be a follower, be a leader, because no one, if you jump in that deep end, no one's going to save you. It's a dog-eat-dog world. You got to save yourself. So get more research. Start doing your more research about things. Even if y'all trying to get methods and ways to make money, do more research so y'all won't just jump into the blind, buy something, and then think somebody got scammed y'all or something just with credit and things like that. People don't be the more you don't have knowledge about something, the more you're going to be ignorant about the situation, and you're not going to understand. So get the knowledge and research so you can understand what's going on, so you can understand what you need to do to be successful at whatever you're doing. And I just had to shoot that out there because I'll be helping a lot of people do a lot of different things, and they come get things from me and they think it's one thing that is not, and they don't understand that nothing in life is free. You got to actually know what you're doing to be able to get any type of money any type of way. So if you've never done something before and you go buy instructions to do it and you've never done it, please understand that you're going to have some difficulties. Please understand that you got to do some more research to learn what you're doing, because there's actually people out here that's trying to do the exact same thing, that if they get that same instructions or method or whatever, and they're going to be able to do it without no problem. So understand that knowledge is power, applied knowledge is power, and it take you very far. All right, so shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, subscribers, new and old, because without y'all, there'd be no me. You'll motivate me to keep going. You'll motivate me to keep dropping the sauce, keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get their credit lessons, you want to learn how to clean your credit and build your credit, add trade lines and AU accounts. You want to get trade lines, credit cards, lines of credit, all that like that, good stuff like that. Start leveraging your credit into cash. Tap in with me. $600. But if you want me to do it for you, it's going to start at $1,500. All right, so make sure you're tapping into that. Basic lessons is $500. All right, so one basic lesson about one topic is going to be $500. FaceTime one-on-ones. Also, book y'all seat right now. FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems is $1,200. So book y'all seat. Limited gems, CPN sauce, credit sauce, how to invest, how to make $1,000 a day off social media, how to really, you know what I'm saying, how to make money, documents, everything that you need. All right, so make sure you're tapping in on that. Also, make sure y'all booking y'all mentorships. Yes, I'm taking people under my wing and I'm making money with people. You'll get all the limited gems, plus you'll get DW information, and we're going to start making money with each other. All right, we're going to make these YouTube automation channels. The channel start making 10, you get 5, I get 5. If the channel start making 20, you get 10, I get 10. All right, so as long as we put in the same effort, grind, and time with that channel to make it grow and build, we're going to have no problems. Also, make sure y'all book y'all see on the crypto tour. $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. If I got to come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $4,500. If I come in-state to me, it's going to be $3,500. $500 deposit, the rest of the money will be in person. All right, so book y'all seat right now on the crypto tour, in-person, limited gems. What else we got going on? Also, if you got for $250 right now, I'm teaching a basic lesson. If you want to learn how to make $1,000 on a daily basis, tap in with me. $250. Contact me on my Telegram. Link is in my community post. Still looking for people for the production company, actors, rappers, models, singers, cameraman. Tap in. You ready to start making money with this music? You ready to come get your chain? You want to come get your watch? Music reviews is $200. You don't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 plus into you and your career? Make it make sense. Still looking for beautiful ladies out there. Any models out there that's ready to grow, build, get their platform off the ground, get their brand off the ground, ready to start working, try new things, make some money, some real money. Tap in. You don't got a good attitude, I can't do no work with you. You got a good head on your shoulders. Tap in. Can't be corrected, you can't be direct. There's a lot of people out there with bad attitudes and I don't got time for that. All right, so beautiful ladies, tap in. Let's make this money. Teamwork, make the dream work. Any videographers out there, tap in. Let's get this work in. Anybody out there, listen, I'm doing a deal right now. Tap into my Telegram right now. My link is in my community post. You want to get that Cash App glitchy, and you want to get that check sauce with one free fully, tap in. $250. Don't miss out. Make sure the $250 is on your Cash App balance. Send me the screenshot of your Cash App balance with the payment on it, and we're going to get going, all right? So please follow instructions. A lot of people don't follow instructions and they get mad when you tell them follow instructions. Why? You come to me for my services, so you got to follow my instructions, all right? So let's make this money. Let's grind. Let's win. Let's run it up. Let's have a good day, all right? So y'all know how to get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.